Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by organizing tools and clearing a flat, well-lit workspace. Gather a 40W soldering iron, desoldering pump, and solder wick. Also get a keycap puller, switch opener, small Phillips screwdriver, and an ESD wrist strap. Keep a magnetic or plastic parts tray for screws and springs. Use flux to help solder flow and a damp sponge to clean the iron tip. Ensure the keyboard is unplugged and batteries removed if wireless. Work slowly and flip the keyboard and locate the switch pins on the PCB. Heat each switch pin with a 40W iron until the solder liquefies and flows freely. While solder is molten, use a desoldering pump to suck the solder or apply solder wick to absorb it. Repeat for both pins on each switch and clean remaining flux residue. Test looseness by gently wiggling the switch. Do not pull if pins still attached. Work row by row to avoid losing screws or springs. If your keyboard uses hot swap sockets, pull the switch straight out with a firm, even motion. For soldered Outemu switches, use a switch opener to remove the top and take out the slider and spring as needed. After desoldering, push the switch body out from the top side and clean any debris. To reinstall, align both pins straight into the PCB holes and press the switch evenly until seated. Finally, solder each pin with a 40W iron using small solder amounts, and test key travel and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.